With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, question assertion the transgenic mice are being used to test the safety of the polio vaccine. Okay, what happened? For any drug or vaccine, we need to check the safety of this drug. Okay, we need to check the safety of the drug. For checking the safety of the drug, we go for the test. Okay, and we can test on a more sensitive organism. Okay, and we can check the effect. What is the effect in the treatment? If the effects are good, so we use this vaccine or drug in the treatment. Okay, so the transgenic mice are generally for the testing of such drug or vaccine, we can use the transgenic animals. Okay, we can use the transgenic animal, and in the 95% cases we use mice as a organism on which we can test. Reason is given: they could not replace the use of monkey to test the safety of batches of the vaccine. Okay, reason is the wrong here, because we can replace the monkey with other transgenic organism like mice, guinea pig, and so on. So reason is the wrong. So assertion is correct and the reason is the wrong. So correct answer of your question is option number D. That is, assertion is correct and reason is the wrong. I hope you can understand this explanation. Thanks for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.